Hello everyone and welcome guys to this video. Today guys I will show you how to withdraw money from Whop. So guys, basically it is easy. You can go to profile icon and from here go to this icon, dollars icon, click the salt or balance. This is the balance option. From here guys, you should to verify your account before take withdraw option, and you should have amount to withdraw from here. And after that, if you verify your account, click this option. It's verify the bank account or withdraw option. This is withdraw option. Click from here and choose the amount you want to withdraw to your bank account or card, credit card, your credit card. So guys, this is how you can do basically. I hope this video helpful for you, and don't forget give like and give share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon. Any question down below in the comment and I will try answer your question as soon as possible. So guys, go to just salt option and complete verify every account, and then click withdraw option from here and choose the amount you want to withdraw from here.